Hey guys, this is John at Team-One. I'm here with Clay from Tuff Industries, standing in front of his Lamborghini. Clay, tell me a little bit about your Lambo, what's done to it, and tell us a little bit about Tuff Industries as well.
Good grief, man. The Lambo, that's a story. So, man, this is my second Lambo. It is Sheepy built. We did a Stage 2 Plus on it. It makes roughly 1350 or so with the wheels. Twin turbo, dots and goodies in the trans, clutch, all that good stuff. I rally the crap out of this thing, so I'm sure you guys could pan close up. The front PPF is destroyed. The windshield's film looks like 36 grit, but man, it's fun. It's carbon. We got Vorsteiner goodies on it, and it's a blast. Not to mention the custom alignment from Team-One Automotive.
The plug. Hey, now tell us a little bit about Tuff Industries. What do you guys do?
Man, so we have a full line of detailing products ranging from automotive, marine, even bicycle, off-road, UTV, ATV, boats. We actually just late last year got into custom blending and manufacturing, so we're now able to private label and create basically cleaning products for any industry. And we're helping mobile detailers and wrap shops like this one create their own brand of products and offer another stream of revenue as far as aside from services, but also product based.
Wonderful. Clay, thank you for your time.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate you.